Hello friends, welcome to Mansi's Kali Kannada channel. Today let us understand about the Kannada language from this demo class video. If you wish to join my one-to-one classes to learn more about spoken Kannada, kindly contact. First, self-addressing words. I, Nanu. Mine, Nanna or Nannadu. Ours, Nammadu. Addressing the next person. You, Neenu. Your, Ninna or Nimma. Yours, Ninnadu or Nimmadu. Here Nimma and Nimmadu is is used for plural or when you are giving respect to the elder person. When things or person is far, starting sound a. He, avanu. She, avalu. So pronounce this lu sound. You need to twist your tongue in your mouth and then say lu. Avalu. It, adu. They, avaru. That, adu. There, alli. When things or person is near, here the starting sound is e. He, ಇವನು. She, ಇವಳು. It, ಇದು. They, ಇವರು. This, ಇದು. Here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ. You need to press illi. Let us go back and learn. Just revise what you learned. We learned about first person addressing, which is your self-addressing. Then second person addressing to the person who is near to you and next to you. Then third person addressing for thing and person, depending on the position of the person or the thing. Let us see some examples. I am Jyoti. Nanu Jyoti. We learned I is Nanu. So Nanu Jyoti. You are teacher. Neevu teacher. For the word teacher, the Kannada word is Shikshaka if it is a male gender. Shikshaki for female gender. You are teacher. We are using Neevu because we give respect to the teacher. Neevu teacher. For a thing, this is charger. Idu charger. If it is, this is pen. This is book. So you can use idu pen, idu book. That is wall. Adu gode. Gode is a Kannada word for wall. Adu wall. Hope you got the usage of these words. Now my favorite part, greeting the person. Let us begin with hello. Namaskara. Namaskara. Then thank you. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Goodbye. ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. We don't have a goodbye word in Kannada. We say we will come back. We'll meet you again. So ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. I'll go and come back. How are you? ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? I'm fine. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. For asking how are you, it is ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? As a reply, ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Welcome, ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. Good morning, ಶುಭೋದಯ. Good afternoon, ಶುಭ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ. Good evening, ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ. Sanjay or Sayankala both means evening. So good evening, Shubha Sanjay or Shubha Sayankala. Good night, Shubha Ratri. Good day, Shubha Dina. All the best, Shubha Vagali. Some more words to help during the festival. Happy Deepavali. Deepavali Habbada Shubhashayagalu. You can use this for any festival like Happy Christmas. Christmas Habbada Shubhashayagalu. Happy Pongal. Pongal Habbada Shubhashayagalu. Ganesha and Gauri Chaturthi Habba. So Ganesha Gauri Habbada Shubhashayagalu. So you use the word Shubhashayagalu to wish them happiness. Happy birthday. Huttu Habbada Shubhashayagalu. Happy Holi. Holi Habbada Shubhashayagalu. Let us move to WH questions. In Kannada it starts with ya sound. Most of them. Let us see now. So for the word what, yenu. What for? Enakke. When? Yavaga. Where? Yalli. Which? Yavadu. Who? Yaru. Whom? Yarige. Whose? Yaradu. Why? Yake. How? How? Hege. How long? Eshtu hottu. How? Yeshtu. Here is how many. Yeshtu or how much. Yeshtu. Everyone or everybody. Ellaru. We also say ellaru. Thank you, friends. Kannada is very easy now. You can learn more if you join my one-to-one classes. Please contact for more details. Thank you. Happy day. Ellarigu Shubhavagali.